Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am recreating this makeup look that you see on my face right now. I actually put up this picture on my Instagram and a lot of you requested that I do a tutorial on this, and that's what I'm doing in this video. I actually used this new Smashbox LA Cover Shot eye palette and I really like the colors over here. So I used the teal underneath my eyes as the accent color and just tried a little bit of half cut crease for this look. So this was really summery, very bohemian because of the earrings that I found. They were like random. I think they were gifts from my mom or my bhabhi. I can't remember, but I'm pretty sure they are street shopping. Like these are like street shopping finds from Calcutta, most probably like New Market or something. So yeah, so I thought these would be perfect with the eyeshadow and the entire look today. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and let's get started. I used the Makeup Forever HD foundation all over my face, and I used the Huda Beauty foundation as a concealer underneath my eyes and on my eyes. And the first thing I'm going to do is set it. So I'm taking this matte color from the palette and using that to set the foundation on my eyelids. Then I'm starting with this light taupe brown color and I'm using that as a transition shade today. I'm blending that all over my crease and a little bit above it, and I'm also taking it onto the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this orangish reddish sort of a shade. It's very beautiful, onto a smaller brush, and I'm going to start defining my crease using this. And I'm also extending the eyeshadow outside, kind of like how you do a winged eyeliner, exactly like that. Then I'm taking the darkest matte brown shade and I'm using that just onto the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm also trying to create a winged eyeliner sort of a shape using this. And then I am taking it inwards onto the crease and I'm using this shade to really define my crease. I am using a very small pencil brush and I am deepening the color slowly. Next, I'm taking a clean fluffy brush and I'm using that to blend everything together. Next, to cut my crease, I am again using the Huda Beauty foundation onto a very small flat brush, and I'm using that to just define my eyelid and cut the crease. You can use any concealer that you have, just something that spreads easily works the best. Then I'm going to take this golden eyeshadow from the palette and pat it on top of everywhere that I have applied the concealer. I actually use the foundation, but you know what I mean. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette. I am so blown away with the texture, the formula, the way it blends, and it's just amazing. It is so beautiful. So yeah, I am just going ahead and blending all of the edges so that it looks very seamless. Next, for the exciting bit, I am going to take this teal eyeshadow onto a small pencil brush again, and I'm using that from the corner, like the inner corner, and pulling it outwards, but I'm not taking it all the way out. How stunning is this teal? I think this is my favorite color in the eyeshadow palette. Next, I'm also going to take this purple shade and use it onto the outer corner. I really like the warmth this shade added onto the whole look, and I feel like this purple really just ties the entire look together. Next, I'm just taking a clean brush and blending everything once again, and just to make sure that everything is blended and seamless. We are done with the eyeshadows and I'm going to apply mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation waterproof mascara. I have a full separate video on how I like to apply my mascara, just to make sure that it looks the best. You can go watch that. And then I am going to apply kajal that came along with the eyeshadow palette, and it is the Smashbox Stay All Day Gel Liner, and I'm using that to tight line my waterline. And then I'm going to take the highlighter shade from the palette and apply that onto my inner corner and also on my brow bone. To contour my face, I'm going to take the Bahama Mama Bronzer, and I'm using that just to carve out a little bit of a cheekbone onto my face. And then I'm going to take the Nykaa Malibu Barbie, I think, yeah, that's what it's called. I'm using that blush and applying it very generously on my cheeks. I really like the corally shades on this blush palette, and I think they're super pigmented as well. And then finally for highlighter, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and I'm just applying the highlighter onto my usual area, that is on the top of my cheeks, nose and cupid's bow. I'm keeping it muted for lipstick, and I'm first using the Nykaa Molten Matte lipstick in the shade Rachel, and I'm adding a bit of a gloss on top of it with the Smashbox Gloss Angelus in the shade 72 and Honey. So that's it. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching and for all your lovely comments as always. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more videos like this, and I cannot wait to see you soon. Bye!